Are you a developer and part of an Agile development team? Do you want to eliminate technical debt and debugging time? Do you want an AI assistant to pick up many of the redundant and mundane tasks? Do you want continuous information and knowledge about your team, tickets, builds, and deployments? Meet Railtown AI, the cloud-based generative AI platform designed to streamline your development process. Railtown works for Python, as well as C#, JavaScript, and Node.js. Our platform empowers you to eliminate waste and reclaim your time for what truly matters, coding and innovation. But that's not all. Railtown AI promotes seamless team collaboration, making Agile project management an easy job. So now, manage tasks, track progress, and collaborate effortlessly to ensure your projects stay on track. Join the growing community of developers and teams who have unlocked the power of Railtown AI, AI assistant for every stakeholder in your software company. Visit our website at railtown.ai to learn more and start your journey to a more efficient development process with Railtown AI.